How to integrate Zoho CRM with Outlook account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. After you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to integrate your Zoho CRM with your Outlook account, you need to go to the settings first. Here in this home screen, at the bottom left, you can see the settings icon, tap on it. Now on the left hand side, you can see the settings menus. Here in this channel section, you can see this email option, tap on it. Now head over to this email section again. In this email tab, you'll be prompted to configure your email address. So you can tap on this get started button. Now from here, you'll be provided with the list of email service providers. So in order to integrate your Outlook account, select this Outlook option and select this configure button. Now, you will need to provide your Outlook account credentials, enter your email. After that, enter your password, and that's it. It'll take few moments in order to connect your accounts. So that's how you can easily integrate your Zoho CRM with your Outlook account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.